How to publish your book to Amazon KDP in under 5 minutes. So first of all, just take a look at your document. In my case, I'm using Google Docs. First thing, I want to make sure that everything is in the correct size, right? So my book is at a 5.5 by 8.5. Technically, my book is already published, The Sixth Blood. It's available on Amazon. But, of course, just using my manuscript for sake of example. So next, we're going to go ahead and download our, in my case, docs as a PDF document. And from that point, we're going to go over to KDP cover calculator on Google. Put in the details for your book, which would be the binding type, interior type, paper type, etc. And our page count. Next, we hit calculate dimensions. This full cover width and height, we're going to go ahead and just copy that and open up Canva in another window. Just going to hit custom size, and we're going to paste that width and height from our KDP cover creator. Make sure your measurements are in inches. I accidentally had pixels just now. So now we have a blank cover that's in the exact size we need our book cover to be, which is great to work with. We'll go back to KDP Cover Creator and download the template. In Canva, we'll go ahead and hit Uploads, upload that file, and slide our template right over that blank canvas. Of course, in my case, the cover art is already created, but I can definitely go over that process if it's something you guys want to see. So yeah, go ahead and slide your cover art right over that template. You can toggle the opacity to just make sure, everything's in the correct spot with the spine, nothing's overlapping the barcode. Just make sure everything looks good, because KDP will reject your book in a heartbeat. And then we'll go over to share. We're always downloading as a PDF standard. Back on KDP, we're going to go ahead and hit create for a new book. In my case, I'm using paperback. Go ahead and input your book title, the subtitle. Of course, you would also enter in your keywords and description. I can definitely go over those details with you guys in another video. Right, so in paperback content, we're going to go ahead and hit assign me a free KDP ISBN. From that point, just select the right type of paper you want. We're going to make sure our trim size is in the correct trim size, and then it matches our PDF. Of course, you want to select bleed if you want your artwork to extend towards the edges, and I'm going matte for my cover. After you upload your manuscript, we're going to go ahead and upload our cover right under where it says upload your cover file. Make sure all your boxes are checked, and then we'll go ahead and hit launch previewer. I really like the previewer just because you can kind of get a good idea of where the spine's going to sit as far as the text is concerned. Make sure everything's within the margins so you don't wind up with a rejected book. So yeah, definitely good to take a look at, especially interior pages. So of course, after you set up your price and hit publish, we are good to go. You'll find your published book on your bookshelf. Usually takes between about 2 to 3 business days. Mine just says draft in this case because my actual book is already published. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. Definitely know if there's any topics you guys want me to go a little bit more in depth on. But yeah, have a good one.